All of us have car insurances, and yet this particular feature will compel you to see car insurances and its renewals in a very different way. Hi, my name is Rajesh Attangadi, your Shubh and today I am going to bring you something really exciting in the insurance sector. Will you believe me if I told you that I am going to share a feature which is going to be a path-breaking feature in the car vehicle insurance industry? Will you believe me if I told you that this feature is going to sweep you off your feet? Will you believe me if I told you that the premiums are going to be lower than the premiums that you're paying in your existing car insurance? Will you believe me if I told you that this feature is going to revolutionize the entire car vehicle insurance industry? Stay invested to find out more what exactly is this feature, what is this revolutionary idea that I am going to share. Stay invested to find out. Before we start, let me ask you a question. What do we look out for when we insure our car? The insured declared value? What is the no claim bonus? What is the make of the vehicle? Other features like zero depreciation, comprehensive coverage, and many other such features that we do add on in the car insurance. And that is what holistically will comprise of a premium to us. And of course, the big thing is that what is the premium that I'm actually being charged for? Well, all of this, let me tell you, all of this is going to change now once you hear about this feature. Let me not run around the bush anymore. That particular feature is UBI, Usage Based Insurance. The kilometers is what is going to determine the premiums that you will be ultimately paying for the vehicle insurance. So what is this usage-based insurance? Usage-based insurance is nothing but the insurance company charging you for the kilometers logged in by that particular vehicle. How does this work? How does one take benefit of UBI? I approach Think and tell them that I would want to renew my insurance under the UBI scheme. Take the preset kilometer option, and once that option is selected, the insurance company will give us a premium. Once we pay the premium, the insurance company within a day or two will arrange for a kit which will be installed in your vehicle. It will capture the kilometers that you have logged in, and it will also capture other details. You might ask me, what does that kit do? It tracks the live speed and location. It tracks the driving patterns. We can view the fuel efficiency report. We can view the vehicle health report as well as statistics. Do remember, this particular kit is not chargeable. It is free of cost from the insurance company. How do you think that this is going to reduce my premium? That would be one particular question that is going to be on top of your mind. I know of a fact that most of the car insurances are renewed based upon only the premiums. So listen to this particular thing carefully. Assuming, and let us take this example of Tata Nexon. Assuming that you and me both have the same vehicle, the same make, the same variant. It's worth 12 lakh rupees and we will be charged an X amount of premium. So how do I reduce my premiums? UBI will change that thing for you. My vehicle is almost driven for around 100 kilometers per day, whereas your vehicle is driven only for around 5 kilometers in a day. The kilometers will determine the amount of premium that you are paying now. It will not be determined as per the value of the vehicle. Since the vehicle is same for both of us, the premiums in normal insurances would be the same. But in this case, once you opt for UBI, the premiums are going to be different based upon the kilometers that you select. So more you ride, the more you pay. The more you ride, the more you pay. The more you ride, the more you pay. The features like your key replacement, highway assistance, your zero depreciation are features which are already there in this particular policy. So one need not worry about whether you would be letting go of those particular features and benefits. Coming to the important thing of kilometer selection. I am putting across the kilometers chart for you, for your reference, so that you can select one of them before going ahead with UBI. You might have a question in your mind, what if I exceed the kilometers? Let's assume I have taken 10,000 kilometers a year as one of the criteria, as the kilometer criteria to go in for UBI. And what if I do around 12,000 kilometers? The moment I finish 10,000 kilometers, I need to do a top up, and that particular additions will be in the tune of around 500, 1000, 2000 kilometers additionally. And what if I have taken 10,000 kilometers and I don't log in 10,000 and I would have just finished around 8,000 kilometers in that particular year? Is there going to be a carry forward of that 2,000 kilometers in the next year? The answer is no. There will be no claim bonuses etc. that will be given to you as in the normal policies, but the kilometers will not be carried forward. So one needs to be a little precise in terms of your average kilometer per year and actually decide for UBI. However, there is good news. In case if you have done a top up and you have not used the entire top up kilometers, the differential kilometers, unused differential kilometers can always be carried forward in the next year. UPI transformed the payment industry. Everybody went digital through UPI, but UBI is going to transform the car vehicle insurance industry, and it is going to really transform the industry on its head. I'm sure by watching this particular video this long, it has got you interested. It has got you believe on me, and believe me, UBI is one particular feature that is really going to revolutionize the car industry. What are you waiting for? If you can drive your car fast, then you need to take a decision fast. Reach out to the description box, click on the link, and we will send you more details about UBI, and that will benefit you tremendously. Before I leave, I will leave you with one more tip that is going to revolutionize this vehicle insurance industry further. You will very soon find out that the car vehicle insurance premiums will also be determined upon the color of the vehicle that you buy. Think Channel brings in a lot of these videos based upon updates as well as important information on the insurance and investment arena. To stay invested, please do subscribe to the channel and show your love by sharing it to your near and dear ones as well as your friends and colleagues. I am sure this video has got you interested, and so can these two videos that are getting flashed on the screen right now. Do catch up with these two videos as well. My name is Rajesh Tangdi. Shubh Chintak. Till next Thursday with yet another new video. Guru Gurwar.